Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. In today's newspaper on Monday, Blue Monday, January the 15th, 2024, and it's also today, 100 days ago, another war started, yes, in Israel, between Israel and Hamas. By the way, in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will do in the evening. But let me start with the regular puzzle. We have one regular puzzle left. The binary number 7803. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. We have here 27 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. Well, publisher, we miss the binaries 12 by 12. I like those large binaries. So, publisher, publish the 12 by 12 binaries. Yeah. Anyway, let's get started. Yeah. Let me start with the O's. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Now the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so the rest are ones. Alright. Between the ones comes an O. Now. Yeah. Between the O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Yeah. Let me think. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Yeah. And now, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So that box should be an O. Alright. Well. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Alright. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, the 5th one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this last column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm stuck. Time for comparing, I believe. Time for comparing. Yeah. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we place number 5 there, the fifth O, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be a no. Ooh, this should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Well. We have here 4, 5. Well, I think we need to compare 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is this 1? No. This is not. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let me think. Yeah, time for comparing. Okay. This column and that column. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Empty box, 1, 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oh, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. And 3, 4, 2, 3. Need to compare again. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Yeah, I need to compare again. Question is the rows or the columns. Let me see here, double O. This column and that column. Alright. Yeah. O 1 1 1 1 O 1 1 O empty box 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have O here. This should be 1. We have 1 here. This should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we need to, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Need to compare again. Cannot believe this. Do we have a double O here? No. Do we have a double 1 here? Yeah. This row and the second row. Alright. O, empty box. 1, 1. O, 1, 1. 1, 1, O, empty box. 1, 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. Finished in 9 minutes. Well. We solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.